The path goal theory addresses the way that leaders can motivate their followers or subordinates to accomplish goals. It states that there are particular roles the leader must perform and traits they should adopt based upon the needs of their employees and the work situation. The theory emphasizes that effective leaders will provide valued rewards for the follower. These rewards are the goal. The leader also helps the follower to find the best way of getting to that goal. This is the path. In doing so, the leader identifies obstacles for the subordinate and helps to remove them in order for the subordinate to reach their goal. The leader's actions should strengthen the follower's belief that if they put forth the right amount of effort, they will accomplish the task, and when they accomplish the task, they'll reap the reward. The trick for the leader is to figure out how to use the right approach to complement or supplement the work environment. Does the worker need greater direction, more support, maybe a push to excel beyond what they've done before? The answer depends upon the work environment and the particular personalities or characteristics of the subordinates.